Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer or send money from Revolut to Skrill bank account. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just open up your Revolut account, go to the payments, and right here you'll see this page. You want to click on this plus icon, and after that you'll see this new payment tab. Click on the bank, and as you can see there's two methods how you can do a bank payment to your Skrill account. So you can find your Skrill bank account IBAN and details when you will need to go to Revolut as I showed you and add new payment, and that's how you can send to Skrill bank account. Or their second method, how you can do is add your Revolut card to Skrill as a funding method. Go to Skrill deposit card and enter your Revolut card details and deposit the amount you want. This usually instant but comes with a Skrill card deposit fee up to 2.5%. So that's how you can add your credit card. So go to your Skrill, add a credit card, and here you can see credit card information in the Revolut right here. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.